What kinds of noises are common in people's daily lives nowadays? Recently, people have witnessed the developments and breakthroughs in industrial departments. So people residing in many countries around the world has to suffer from noises caused by industrial zones, such as industrial devices, work tools, and production. Additionally, they also has to face noises from commuting, especially from personal vehicles. Because when the streets are crowded, people tend to honk. For this reason, the atmosphere may become louder. Are there more noises in city or in countryside? At an individual level, I do believe that um, in a major city is louder than a rural area because people nowadays tend to settling down in a metropolis rather than in a countryside. For this reason, the streets are always crowded and the traffic jams uh, become and occur easily. And additionally, the people stuck in there tend to honk. So that makes the atmosphere may be louder and louder. Furthermore, in a big city, people usually tend li- to live in the midnight, so there are so many restaurants and even playgrounds open until at midnight. What are advantages and disadvantages of living in a large city? Well, from my perspectives, living in a metropolis offers for residents more positive aspects rather than negative aspects. First, to talk about positive aspects, um, nowadays people tend to living in a major city because it offers for individuals more golden opportunity to pursue higher educations and earn a good living from working in a multinational company. Additionally, living in a metropolis also provides a great chance to to earn a good living because they can work in many roles and work so many job else to increase their finance. Um, on the other hand, to talk about disadvantages, uh, living in a major city is a best way for residents because they have to pay more money for cost of living, and obviously cost of living when people live in a major city is obviously more expensive rather than living in a countryside. Additionally, um, the price of groceries is tend to being more expensive. How does noises affect people's daily lives? Well, I'll say noises have enormous influences on human lives. For instance, people have to go to sleep early to relax and recharge through the long day. But when the noises are usually usually people cannot go to sleep, and then they usually feel a bit tired in the next day. Um, Additionally, I also believe that noises have a an impact on humans' daily mental health, because um, I will get myself, for example, I usually learn and review my knowledge at night, but the neighborhood who live near my house usually sing songs that make me feel a bit crazy, and um, it makes me it makes me feel difficult to focus on my homeworks. Do you think that we should allow children to make noise in public places? Well, I'll say it depends on where the children are in, because if the children play in a park, it's a normal, because a park was constructed to allow children to make loud and uh, to to play games, because a park has a lot of trees and wood, and it is a spacious. But when children in a public places, such as in museum or movie theater, they have to quiet, because um, when we in museum, for instance, uh, the people who come here to expand their knowledge in each sphere, so children have to be quiet to have others feel easy to learn and